Okay, so moving on to the next one, under sharing settings. These are some of the things that I do like to enable. You're going to enable enhanced sharing, so that way you give them all these options. And then number two, the main important one is uploading original photos. All the photos, while you are connected to internet, will generate an online gallery, which is nice, convenient for your guests. So after your event is over, if your booth is connected to internet, you will be able to just generate a link and send it directly to your customer, and all the photos, GIFs, boomerangs, whatever it is, will be in that file. So make sure you leave that on. And then the next thing is right over here under email. I do option give the email option, and I like to put my personal business email here along with a little message. Here's your photo. And then I put a little body message. Here's your photo with the share icons, download photo. And then I put attached image logo. You guys can copy and paste this. And then I put visit us at 360boothexpert.com. If I scroll down, same thing. I enable WhatsApp for those customers that have that, some international clients. And then we have the SMS option, which is the text messaging. You will have to pay for this. I believe it's like an additional fee, but totally worth it because you can text to everybody. So just make sure you guys subscribe for that subscription. I think it's like $8 or $9 a month, but worth it.